Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Cassidy, and as you read by the title, we're going to be doing our very first photo shoot. I did not record an intro to this video, so I just wanted to say hi. If you are new, I just want to thank you so much for just clicking on this video. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe. I'm excited to take you guys along the process, and let's just get into this video. I have a photo shoot tomorrow. I don't know what hairstyle I want to do. I have to do my hair. I have to find an outfit to wear. It's my first ever photo shoot. I have to do my eyebrows. We got to figure out a look to do in less than 48 hours. So, let's go. Okay, so it is the next day, and as you guys can see, I done took out my braids. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning. The photo shoot is at 2. I'm about to do my eyebrows. So last night my sister took me to go get some nair because I ran out of nair. I usually use the regular nair to nair my eyebrows, but if I'm being honest, it does sometimes cause irritation on my skin, and if you leave it on for too long, it's definitely going to burn your skin off. So if you've never done this process before, if you've never naired your eyebrows, I definitely would recommend that you would buy actual face nair, because this is the nair that's safe to go on your face. Definitely 10 out of 10 recommend that you buy face nair. If you don't know how to nair your eyebrows, it's literally so easy. So if you do wear makeup, it's the same thing as applying concealer underneath your brows. You're gonna need Q-tips, your face nair, and you're gonna need a rag to wipe off your nair. Before we nair our eyebrows, I just wanted to kind of tell you guys the hairstyle that I'm going to be doing. So I actually got a comment yesterday on this hairstyle saying, girl, what's going on with this hairstyle? Like, how you did that? And I was looking at the hairstyle and I was like, I don't know how I did that. Like, I forgot. But I did go back to a tutorial slash video. Not really a tutorial, but like a TikTok that I made on me doing that hairstyle. And I finally figured out how I did that hairstyle. So we're going to be recreating that look today. I'm not really the best at explaining my hairstyles. It's just something that I make up, you feel me? But let's brush out our brows, and you do want to make sure you wrap up your hair for this process, because you don't want this nair getting on your hair, and you don't want your hair falling off because you done made a mistake and put some nair on your hair. So definitely wrap up your hair. And I'm actually going to do this side with you guys, and then I'm going to do this side over on my other social platforms. And I may record the process today. I don't know, yeah, I'm nervous, but most likely I'll record the process. The bonnet is on. I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to get to it. So let me go get my Q-tips. I have my nair. Let me get a rag and let's start this process. Okay.
Alpha Omega, my maker, almighty one. I just don't have enough words to give you the praise you deserve. It's about that time I take a deep dive and I go all in. Faith like I'm walking on water, I better not fall in. Yeah, I'ma keep my eyes on you, seek you like I'm supposed to do. Your love is easy like it's 1 + 2. No more buttons cause I trust in you.
Alright, so I don't know if you guys can see a difference, but I can notice a difference. I basically do this just to groom my eyebrows. I'm not an expert, I'm not a professional. So do this at your own risk. I've been doing this since high school. And y'all, tell me why in high school? Why every day I did my eyebrows, y'all? Look at this picture. I literally every day used to not nair my eyebrows, but I used to do my eyebrows with a razor every freaking day so they could look like they're done. And as you can see from this photo, they thinned out because I did them every day. Please don't be like me. Okay, I don't know what was up with me. All right, but I'm gonna wash my hands, and then I guess I'm gonna just pluck my eyebrows with my tweezer. So if you don't have a tweezer, they have these at the hair store for like $1. I'm gonna plug my eyebrows, get started on my hair.
You're always there when I call. You catch me whenever I fall. So I have to give you
So how are you looking? how do you think that we did? Like I said, I'm no professional, just a disclaimer, because I don't want you to follow me and potentially nail your eyebrows off. If you get them waxed, go continue to get them waxed if you don't feel comfortable doing this. But this is something that I've been doing ever since I was a sophomore in high school. Y'all, every video my nose itch. My nose itch. Don't mind me, okay? Did I pluck this one too thin? I mean, if they don't look like twins, don't mind them, okay? I do have a scratch on this eyebrow, so this arch is always naturally different than this arch. So keep that in mind. But to fill in my eyebrows, I just fill in the top half like this just to complete the brow. And then just do light strokes. This eyebrow pencil, love it so much. This is in the shade Ebony, and it's my natural eyebrow color. And then I just blend that out with my spoolie. I don't know if you could tell a difference, but I can tell a difference. And you want to blend it out just so it could just blend in and look natural. And yeah, this is basically what I like to do to my brows. I don't even remember the last time I got them done by a professional. But yeah, for my last step, I go in with my Anastasia brow gel. This just holds my brows in place literally all day. But now for the hair. Like I said, I am not the best. Hope it's recording. Is it in my face? Get up my face. Get up my face, bro. Before we get into this hairstyle, let's explain how I'm going to do this hairstyle. For this hairstyle, I did 3 straight back braids. So this is going to be one section. It's already parted, so just make sure you part your hair. It's going to be 3 braids and then turn it into one bento knot. Then I'm going to do a U-shaped braid. So U, right? Braid going to my forehead, braid going across, and then braid going back to the middle of my head. Within this section, because it's going to be braided like this, right? I'm just going to do 3 side braids. So 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to turn each braid into one bento knot. Don't know if that made sense. If you have any questions, definitely just let me know. I guess let's just get started, shall we? So you guys know I love to use this honey hydration as moisturizer because it leaves my hair super soft and hydrated. Like I said, this is going to be the first section.
You're always there when I call. You catch me whenever I fall. So I have to give you my all. I come to you with my knees down and my hands up. For you, your love is never too much. Even just a little is more than enough. Overflood in my cup, no cap, no ceiling. They look and say it's luck. I know it's your blessings. My God is ever loving and never leaving. Pinch me so I know this is real. I used to dream of a love like this. Search for it, followed your word, and I just put you first. Now I got a love like this.
So you guys know the drill. Gonna finish this side off TikTok, but let's just take out right here and just chat about this hairstyle. So as I said, 3 straight back braids, U-shaped braid. Within this U-shaped braid, you're gonna do side braids, 3 total, turn it each into a bento knot, and then this last twist, as you guys seen, is just a regular twist, wrapped it up into a bento knot. That's all. But I'm so excited. I think I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I'm gonna try. I mean, I believe I could record while taking photos. I mean, I believe we all creators in there, because the guy, he's actually one of my classmates, and he was like, do you want to do a photo shoot? And I was like, of course. So if you live in Tallahassee and you need some photos took, I'm gonna put his Instagram page right here. I believe his work is very professional, and I'm excited to see how everything turns out, y'all. This is like my first ever photo shoot ever. I don't know how to pose and stuff, so they gonna get me right. Alrighty, so as you can see, my hair is finished. I guess I'll show you guys how I did this little X. So once you finish your hair, you're gonna have these 2 braids left. All you're gonna do is just crisscross each braid like this, like an X, and then just wrap it onto these 2 bantu knots. But it's 10:47. We're on great timing for stuff like this. If I have like an event or something to go to, I always like to prepare very early so I can just chill. You know, I'm not rushing before it's time to go. I don't like to rush myself. I like to take my time. I woke up at 7 today. It is 10:48. Now I'm about to hop in the tub, shave, because our underarms is hairy and my belly is hairy and my legs is hairy, so I'm gonna shave. I think I want to do a flower look. I don't know what look I want to do. Like, I love flowers, but I also love the golden look. I love brown on me. I just love the color brown, but yellow is my favorite color. But I don't know if I want to do a sunflower look because I don't know what outfit I will wear with sunflowers in my hair. So I don't know how to do this type of stuff. Like, I did not prepare for this, but yeah, it's not that serious. I'll just come up with something and I think it's gonna turn out amazing either way. But right now I'm about to do my edges so it can set. It is like almost 1 o'clock, so gotta get going. Y'all, I wish I had my toes done. Like, my toes, bro, it is not done. So the toes is not gonna be out. We gotta wear some tennis shoes or some closed toe shoes.
And I give you all of me. You come first, more of you, less of me.
This is the finished look. I have a mole right here and it has been getting smaller over these years. I've had this mole since I was a freshman in high school. It was big and I didn't even like it at first, but over these years as it has gotten smaller, I think it's just cute. So I sometimes like to darken my mole just to make it pop on my face. I really hope that you're enjoying this video so far. I really appreciate you guys' comments, your likes. It really does mean a lot to me. But I'm gonna go get my accessories, come back, put on my wig, and then just pack my bag, then get ready to go. I'm gonna Uber there because the studio is right next to FAMU. So once I'm done with the photo shoot, I'm gonna walk over to FAMU. My sister, she has classes today. Her last class gets out at 5 or 4:45. So I'll just be waiting until she leaves, so you know I could just ride back with her. I think I'm gonna do the sunflowers just because I love flowers. I got these flowers from Ross, I believe. No, what am I talking about? I got these flowers from Target. Okay, so I'm about ready. I think this is the look that I want to do. I'm gonna wear some heel boots with this outfit. Everything is going well. I'm excited. I'm nervous, y'all. I'm nervous. This is my first time, so like, I brought my tripod, so if I'm not nervous, I'm gonna just pull out my tripod and just record because it's not that serious. But yeah, everything is all ready to go. I'm excited, but don't want to talk it behind off. Let's just go. Wish me luck. okay.
So I'm running all the way right back to you. Yeah. I wanna see the day when you stood right there. Oh, I know I wanna be the next to you.
I stay anxious for nothing, but I don't wanna wait till there's nothing left. I don't wanna stay here and be left behind. I wanna make it. I stay busy thinking about you. I'm focused on following you, 'cause you said you're coming soon. Coming like a thief in the night.
Hello, my beautiful friends. Hello. As you guys can see, I'm outside in nature. The photo shoot went very well. Don't know if you guys can hear me because the wind is blowing, but I think the photo shoot was pretty chill. Nothing too major. He taught me how to pose and stuff. Well, he didn't teach me. Well, he was helping me out through it, so that made me feel a bit better. Cause like I said, I ain't no picture taker. Like, if you look on my Instagram, I do not take Instagram pictures. Not because I'm insecure about anything, it's just because I have to actually find someone to take my pictures. But I don't know, it's like when I get cute and stuff, when I be putting on my fits, I don't do it just for social media. Like, I do it for real life. Maybe I need a content creator friend that pushes me to just take pictures. Like, I don't know. I don't want to have to ask to take pictures. Like, I just want somebody to be like, girl, you need some pictures. Like, I don't want to have to ask people to take pictures. You know what I mean? And plus, when I do ask, I want to already know the poses that I'm going to do. You feel me? I can't just waste their time. Because I don't know. I'm like very goofy. So like I be playing around in my photos. So I don't know. I'm gonna go ahead and end the video off right here. So I really hope that you guys enjoy watching this video. Overall experience was great. Nothing too major, nothing too crazy, just some photos, just a little photo shoot, nothing to Of course you guys will see the photos first because I literally love you guys. So like yeah, but no, it was nice hanging out with you and just talking, chatting it up, talking about whatever. So yeah, for sure. I hope that you stay encouraged, know that God is with you and he loves you, and we will see you in our next video. Adios.
I don't wanna wait until the moonlight, yeah. Suffered and he died is for this new life. Looking for the light, running from the darkness. It wasn't for me, no, sin wasn't for me. I wanna be holy, but it wasn't for free. Gave his life for me, gave his life for me, and we should be thinking it over.